Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my wig. I'm super excited. This hair, I've already done a video showing you how I got this highlights. I get this question a lot when I wear this wig. This is my same wig that I did my highlighted video on, the recent one. This is my Tropic Touches hair. It's not available at the moment, but you guys can follow that video if you want to achieve this color. I'm not taking custom orders because I don't like to color hair that's not Tropic Touches, because sometimes the hair does not give off this quality, and I don't want you guys to be mad at me if your hair is like crunchy and crazy. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. So I'm starting off by using my Got To Be High Insta Hold, and I'm going to just fix up my edges. I like spraying it on my baby hairs brush or edges brush, and just use that to mold down my edges. I feel like this helps it last longer, so that's all I'm doing right here, just to help my edges look better. I am gonna have this makeup video up soon because one of my subscribers asked me to do a nice classy look because she wanted to wear it for her birthday. I'm not sure if your birthday already passed, and if it did, I apologize. Happy belated birthday or happy birthday, but this video is gonna be up after this one. I'm going in with my BioSilk Silk Therapy Oil. I really don't like this bottle. I like the frosted bottle. The frosted bottle is for your hair to be more silky. This one is for people that have thinner hair to help it thicken up a little bit. But yeah, I'm using this just to make my hair feel softer. Keep in mind, I have not washed this wig ever since I took pictures of it the first time. And look how silky it is. This is what I mean by quality. And that was like a month ago, I believe, that I wore this wig. So yeah. I'm just going to brush that in, and then I'm going to go in with my Cara Care wax stick, and this is going to help to put down any flyaways. So I'm just rubbing that in between my hands and rubbing it at the top of my head. A fun fact, I actually have 4 braids under my wig. That's crazy because the wig actually looks pretty flat. So I have 4 braids under my wig. If you want to purchase my hair growth products, I am going to link it down below because I use it every 3 days. So I feel like it's better that I put braids instead of my cornrows. But I'm going to link it down below so you guys can purchase that. I'm going to go ahead and section off the hair. And I'm going to be using my Ion Magnesium Interchangeable Curling Wand. I'm using the biggest barrel that they have because I want these curls to be very big and like a big, nice, sexy curls. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to wrap this away from my face. As you can see, I'm wrapping in an upward motion away from my face, and then I'm turning the barrel just so I can get the rest of the hair onto it. And I'm just holding it for about 7 seconds. Then I'm going to use the Got To Be Beach Trippin' Texturizing Spray. I do recommend using this spray before you curl the hair, okay? I sprayed it afterwards, but then I quickly realized that I should do it before. If you spray it after, it's just defeating the purpose. So I'm going to section this off again. Just section it off, and then I'm going to spray it with the spray, the texturizing spray. I'm going to brush it through and then start curling. It's very self-explanatory what I'm doing. I just wanted to show you the products that I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music, and then I'll come back a little later. I don't feel like I need to explain too much. It's very self-explanatory. You guys can just follow along with me, so I'm going to leave it, let it play out.
Say you love me, turn around and play me, yeah. I think it's kind of funny. You say things you do me, underestimate me, yeah. I have always done right. Said you're never gonna lie, like she gon' come around full circle. I'll flip the script on you. Tell me why you mad, tell me why you mad. Bet you didn't think that the tables will turn. You gon' fuck around and I'ma do the same, yeah. How you like to come up, how you like to come up.
Alright, you guys, and once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side, and yeah. So this is how it's looking. As you can see, it's very flowy and bouncy. This hair holds a curl perfectly, like all the time. So yeah. Okay, and once I'm done curling, I'm just going to use my fingers and comb the hair going backwards just so it can feather out. I did add some layers to this wig, so that is why it's laying like that and it's giving a lot of body. I did not put layers at the back. I think I'm going to do it maybe in like next year for my birthday or something, but I did not put layers in the back, so it's just like front layers to make it have more of like a big look. And the hair was a little bit too tight because I did put a pin to hold it in place, so I'm just loosening it down with the curling wand. This look is so easy to do, so quick. You can do this for any event that you have to go to, your birthday, any like little parties, get-togethers, family functions, Thanksgiving. Yeah. I do recommend spraying it with the Insta Hold spray, just so if you wanted to hold it a little bit better for your wig. But this is basically the look. I'm just going to spray a little bit at the top just to make sure that it's laying down properly. Let me know if you guys like this video down below. I actually love how this came out, and this is just me finger combing the hair. Now I'm going to go in with my brush, and I'm going to use the brush just to silky out the curls. This makes it look so good. This is like the effortless look, so if you want it to be more of like an effortless look, you can just brush it out with your brush. And you can see the right side of my head, well, that's actually my left side, but on your right, that side is a little bit looser just because I didn't spray the texturizing spray before I curled it, and then whatever. But you can see the difference. It looks really, really nice. So let me know if you guys like this down below, and if you're gonna try this out, let me know if you have the Ion curling wand. I actually like it a lot. I bought it from Sally's if you guys are interested in getting it. This is not a sponsored video. I was just bored and I wanted to make a video with my hair because I was fiending to wear this hair. But yeah, this is the look. This is the end of the video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in my other video. Turn on your post notifications so you guys will see when I drop this makeup look. All right, guys, bye.
Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because